alligator, swimming so fast. B is for bear, with claws built to last.
C is for cow, grazing in the field. D is for deer, leaping through the trees.
E is for elephant, big and so wise. F is for fox, with clever bright eyes.
G is for giraffe, tall with a neck so high. H is for hippo, in the water nearby.
I is for impala, jumping with grace. J is for jaguar, prowling with pace.
K is for koala, sleeping in a tree.
L is for leopard, sneaky and free.
M is for meerkat, standing so tall. N is for narwhal, with a tusk like a hall.
O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for parrot, colorful and bright.
Q is for quail, running on the ground. R is for rhino, charging all around.
S is for swan, gliding on the lake.
T is for tiger, with a powerful stake.
U is for uriel, a wild mountain sheep. V is for vulture, soaring so deep. W is for wolf, howling to the moon. X is for Xanthus, a colorful loon.